Namaskar, I am Akhil Srivastava and I welcome you all in daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Here we will see how was the weather during past 24 hours and what we expect in terms of weather in coming next 1 week. If we see which were the main weather features which affected Indian mainland today, then we can see there is a western disturbance at lower tropospheric level with its axis around 60° east to the north of latitude 32° north. If we talk about cyclone circulation, then there is cyclone circulation which is located over North Bangladesh and neighborhood at lower tropospheric levels. These were the main two features which affected the Indian region today. If we see the real life weather in past 24 hours, so if we see the fog, then dense to very dense fog was observed in isolated pockets of West Madhya Pradesh and West Uttar Pradesh. Apart from that, moderate fog was also seen over isolated pockets of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, North Rajasthan, East Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand, and shallow fog over Uttarakhand, East Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar. If we talk in terms of visibility, then lowest amount of visibility was seen over Gwalior and Tikamgarh, which recorded 25 meters of visibility at 8:30 hours IST today. In Siddhi, Rajgarh, Jhansi, visibility was 50 meters. In Gulmarg, Amritsar, Ganganagar, Hisar, Dehradun, Pilani, Delhi, Bareilly, Nagaon, Damoh, Mandla, and Daltonganj each recorded 200 meters visibility. If we talk about cold day to severe to cold day conditions, then yesterday cold day to severe cold day conditions were prevailing in many parts of Uttar Pradesh and isolated pockets over North Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, and Bihar. The severe cold day conditions have abated with increase in day temperatures over most parts of Rajasthan and Punjab. However, cold day conditions prevailed in some pockets over Punjab and Delhi. If we see the weather forecast for the coming 1 week, then we can see that we are expecting a fresh western disturbance to affect northwest India from 21st of January. And also, there's a likelihood of formation of an induced cyclone circulation over southwest Rajasthan on 22nd of January. Under these systems, we are expecting a wet spell over northwest and adjoining central India during 21st to 24th of January and over East India during 22nd to 24th of January. If we talk about specific warning, then we are expecting isolated to scattered rainfall, snowfall, very likely over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, and Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand during next 3 days, and there will be increase after these 3 days, and we are expecting again rainfall to be fairly widespread to widespread rainfall snowfall over the same region during 22nd and 23rd of January. However, after 23rd January, there is a likelihood of reduction in the activity. And we are also expecting isolated heavy rainfall or snowfall to take place over Himachal Pradesh on 22nd of January. If we are moving towards the plains, then isolated to scattered rainfall is likely over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, and North Rajasthan on 21st, and there will be increase thereafter with fairly widespread to widespread rainfall over the same region during 22nd and 23rd of January. We are also expecting isolated to scattered rainfall over Madhya Pradesh during 21st to 23rd of January, and there will be reduction thereafter. Isolated heavy rainfall is also likely over Punjab and Haryana on 22nd of January. If we talk about eastern part of the country, then we are expecting scattered to fairly widespread light moderate rainfall over Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal and Sikkim on 22nd and 23rd of January. Now, if we talk about thunderstorm warning, then we are expecting isolated thunderstorm with lightning and hail over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh, North Rajasthan, and some Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim on 22nd January, over Northwest Madhya Pradesh on 21st and 22nd January, and over East Madhya Pradesh on 22nd January. Over Bihar, then thunderstorm with hail is expected over on 22nd, 23rd January, and over Jharkhand and Gangetic West Bengal on 23rd January 2022. If we talk about northeastern parts of the country, then scattered to fairly widespread light moderate rainfall is likely over northeastern parts of the country during 20th to 23rd of January. If we talk about fog, cold day or cold wave, then we are not expecting any cold wave condition during the week. However, dense fog in night morning hours is very likely in isolated pockets over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, North Madhya Pradesh, and Bihar during the next 2 days. If we talk about cold day to severe cold day condition, then we are expecting cold day to severe cold day condition in some parts of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar during the next 2 days, and cold day conditions in isolated pockets over Punjab, Haryana, North Madhya Pradesh during the next 24 hours, and there will be a reduction in the cold day condition thereafter. If we see the same warning with the help of the multi-hazard map issued by the Indian Meteorological Department, then we can say that today and tomorrow we are expecting more cold day conditions along the plains of the northwest India and central India. And if we talk about thunderstorm, then thunderstorm activities are with isolated hailstorm starting from 21st January starting from the western parts of the country, and major activity will take place, expected to take place on 22nd of January, and the activity will shift towards the eastern parts of the country on the 23rd of January. This is the information for now. Tomorrow we will again meet with the similar kind of information. For any updated information, please use Mausam app, Namni app, Meghdoot app, or IMD's Twitter and Facebook handles. So we'll meet again tomorrow with similar kind of information. Till then, have a wonderful time. Namaskar, Jai Hind. Namaskar. Thank you.